connect the plugs. This is P1, P2, P4, P3, P4, P5, P6. P6 is the power cable, and this is the power. This is the THC. At first, adjust this IHC height about 0.4 seconds. Press it. You can see. Press it. You can see the THC. The THC will update. Second, adjust the pierce delay. This value, and this is adjust the set arc voltage. This is set arc voltage. This is actual arc voltage, and this is a switch of out and manual THC. Now it is manual, and that means hand control the THC by hand. Now it is automatic. This is THC up. This is THC down. Press F2. Use disk. Find the correct drawing.
灰色。
这个。Move the THC. Okay, start from here. There, clear 0, F8, and check the cut speed, the curve, X, cut speed X.
随便修就行，可以。
Yes, and curve in shift and curve.
数数。
0点。
不是那2.5。2.5。灰色。好。改模式 M。
Check this is plasma cut. If you want flame cut, M, shift M. This is demo. This is flame cut. Now we use plasma cut. And check the set arc voltage.
你拧一下那个旋钮。
然后 start 是吗？
下面。
Sure to cut. Yes. Okay.